Hello, welcome back to my studio. Today I'm going to be showing you the best ways to create more distance and atmospheric perspective in your paintings. We're going to go through a list of the most important ones, or the ones that I like to use in any event, and you can make a note of these and then apply them in your next painting. Let's jump in. Now, when you're painting a representational scene and you want to create a three-dimensional effect, you got to use ways to create space. So how do you get that sense of space, and how do you direct the viewer's eye into your painting? Well, we're going to look at different paintings and see what techniques we used. And I'm going to list my favorite techniques. I encourage you to save the video or put down the items in a list, have it on a little cheat sheet or something like that, and put it next to your easel the next time you're painting, just to remind you of things you can use. You don't have to use them all, of course, but some will certainly be relevant for your next painting. All right, let's have a quick look. Shapes get smaller with distance, so use diminishing sizes for the shapes to create the illusion of space. Then use receding lines. As lines converge into the distance, they emphasize the illusion of space once again. Overlapping shapes, one overlapping another, gives the illusion of receding shapes into the distance. A rising baseline. As shapes move upwards, or the planes, that gives the illusion of space. The change of values, so your colors will be darker in the foreground, lighter in the distance. You can also use dark accents in the foreground like this to attract the eye into the foreground, and then the eye moves into the distance where there's more sense of space and light. Color saturation is important. In the foreground you can have warm saturated color and then getting cool and desaturated into the distance. Softer edges, once again the same example where you can see the strong edges in the foreground and the soft edges in the distance. You can use these tips in your paintings. Some paintings will have more than others, but each of them will help to emphasize depth and distance and the illusion of space. Well, I hope there's some ideas that you can apply to your next painting. Creating that three-dimensional sense is so important in our style of painting. So keep these tips on hand and have fun applying them to your next painting. Now, don't forget, before I go, I've got a free course up here. You can find the link up here or in the description below, and you can get some good and interesting advice for your paintings there as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. All right, until next time, happy painting and cheers for now.